Here is a beginner-level regulatory affairs manager quiz that covers clinical trials and evidence submission, labeling and packaging compliance, and risk management and safety monitoring. Let's go. Question 1. What is the purpose of clinical trials? A. To test new marketing strategies. B. To assess the safety and efficacy of a drug. C. To reduce production costs. And D. To determine product packaging design. The answer is to assess the safety and efficacy of a drug. Question 2. Which regulatory document is required before starting a clinical trial in the United States? A. New drug application, NDA. B. Marketing authorization application, MAA. C. Investigational new drug, IND application. And D. Abbreviated new drug application, ANDA. The answer is Investigational New Drug IND application. Question 3. Which phase of clinical trials primarily assesses a drug's safety in humans? A. Phase 1, B. Phase 2, C. Phase 3, and D. Phase 4. The answer is Phase 1. Question 4. Which phase of clinical trials involves a large number of patients to confirm effectiveness and monitor side effects? A. Phase 1, B. Phase 2, C. Phase 3, and D. Phase 4. The answer is Phase 3. Question 5. What does good clinical practice GCP ensure in clinical trials? A. That the trial is completed quickly. B. That ethical and scientific quality standards are maintained. C. That the product is marketed successfully. And D. That the drug is approved without any testing. The answer is that ethical and scientific quality standards are maintained. Question 6. Which document is required for post-marketing safety monitoring of a drug? A. Periodic Safety Update Report, PSUR. B. Clinical Study Report, CSR. C. New Drug Application, NDA. And D. Summary of Product Characteristics, SMPC. The answer is Periodic Safety Update Report, PSUR. Question 7. Which phase of clinical trials is conducted after a drug is approved to monitor long-term effects? A. Phase 1, B. Phase 2, C. Phase 3, and D. Phase 4. The answer is Phase 4. Question 8. Which regulatory guideline governs labeling requirements in the United States? A. FDA 21 CFR, Part 201, B. ISO 9001, C. Good Manufacturing Practice, GMP, and D. Clinical Trials Directive. The answer is FDA 21 CFR Part 201. Question 9. What is the main purpose of a drug's labeling and packaging compliance? A. To attract more customers. B. To meet international trade standards. C. To provide accurate safety and usage information. And D. To ensure quick regulatory approval. The answer is to provide accurate safety and usage information. Question 10. Which of the following is not a required labeling element for pharmaceuticals? A. Drug name, B. Dosage instructions, C. Indications and usage, and D. Manufacturer's stock price. The answer is manufacturer's stock price. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which agency enforces drug labelling compliance in the European Union? A. FDA, B. EMA, C. WHO, and D. MHRA. The answer is EMA. Question 12. What is pharmacovigilance? A. The process of designing a drug label. B. The study of drug interactions in a laboratory. C. The monitoring of drug safety after approval. And D. The approval process for new drug applications. The answer is the monitoring of drug safety after approval. Question 13. Which of the following is a risk management tool for drug safety monitoring? A. Risk evaluation and mitigation strategies, REMS. B. New drug application, NDA. C. Drug sales forecast, and D. Labeling compliance checklist. The answer is Risk Evaluation and Mitigation Strategies, REMS. Question 14. What does the black box warning on drug labelling indicate? A. A special marketing claim. B. A severe safety risk or life-threatening effect. C. A drug's expiration date. And D. A packaging guideline for transportation. The answer is a severe safety risk or life-threatening effect. Question 15. What is the purpose of a medication guide in drug labelling? A. To promote the manufacturer's brand. B. To provide legal protection for the company. C. To inform patients about safe use and risks. And D. To list sales performance. The answer is to inform patients about safe use and risks. Question 16. What action should be taken if a serious adverse event is reported for a marketed drug? A. Remove the drug from shelves immediately. B. Report it to regulatory authorities and assess risk. C. Ignore it unless the event is widespread. And D. Increase marketing efforts to counteract negative news. The answer is report it to regulatory authorities and assess risk. Question 17. Which organisation sets global pharmacovigilance guidelines? A. WHO, B. FDA, C. EMA, and D. ISO. The answer is WHO. Question 18. What is the purpose of a risk management plan, RMP? A. To negotiate drug pricing with healthcare providers. B. To increase sales and brand awareness. C. To monitor and minimize risks associated with a drug. And D. To optimize the manufacturing cost. The answer is to monitor and minimize risks associated with a drug. Question 19. Which of the following is a post-marketing safety requirement for high-risk drugs? A. Conducting additional clinical trials. B. Submitting an abbreviated new drug application. And C. Removing the drug from international markets. And D. Avoiding all patient feedback. The answer is conducting additional clinical trials. Question 20. What does the term signal detection refer to in pharmacovigilance? A. Monitoring internet searches for drug names. B. Identifying potential safety concerns from adverse event reports. C. Measuring the effectiveness of drug advertisements. And D. Tracking competitor pricing strategies. The answer is identifying potential safety concerns from adverse event reports. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.